Are you the one that I was going
Sorry, ho, ho, ho.
And I said, no, ma'am, I'm not the one. But he said, I was running along the field there because they are catching me. We have run throughout the whole bayan of Baler. Then, going in the street at the door, I met a beautiful lady.
Yay! Sino naman yan?
Tapusing. Then she said, oh, what's your name? I said, she said, do you want to go with me to the beach and let's take a swim? Then I said, oh, sure. As we go to the beach, it was nice. Then we decided to go home. We really go home this time. I first put her to her home. Then she said, now, do you learn your lessons? Do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Then I said, yes. Then, when I was going out of their door to go to my home, I said, thank you, Mom.
Ba't nakasing? Sige, sige.
When I go to my house, my mother said, oh, son, you have grown. But without knowing, when I have entered the room, the two fairies and the ugly master are there.
Are there? Ho, 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 ho.